We are in the car right now. I'm at the Pew box. Oh, my husband went in to grab it. Bye.
Birthday. What kind of cake do you want for your actual birthday?
I am making dinner right now. We are having salmon and rice. We're doing salmon rice bowls, and my husband is doing imitation crab bowls because we were slowly running out of salmon and he needs to eat his imitation crab, so that's what I'm making. I'm also waiting for him to arrive so that he can bring down the rice so I can start cooking the rice, because I can't reach it even with the stepping stool because I am that short. So hopefully he comes soon so that he can do that for me, but right now I'm just cooking away. Prepped the salmon already, defrosted it like all day. Same with the imitation crab. I already got most of it. It's like sitting here in mayo. So I'm just waiting for the rest of it. And right now I'm working on my garlic, and I don't know where the garlic press is. I think it's in the wash, so I'm just gonna chop it. And I'm doing more of like a buttery lemon kind of salmon for myself. And then my husband's doing his imitation crab, mayo, spicy, sriracha kind of thing. I don't even know. I don't really know anything about that kind of stuff, so I'm really just doing my best when it comes to that. Bit more garlic. I love garlic, so there's never too much garlic in this.